We're here at the sold-out Mine Water Energy Symposium. We're at the Baltic Arts Centre in Gateshead. This is one of the 24 large buildings heated by mine water heat in the area, and we're delighted to have stakeholders from industry, academia, business and government to take up the challenges of delivering even more mine water heat schemes in Great Britain.
I've come to the Mine Water Symposium today to talk about the great work that we're doing at Gateshead Council and Gateshead Energy Company, but also to really just hear all the exciting stuff that's happening across the sector, the future plans in the area, and just to hear the great work that's happening and the recent developments in research. It's great to see kind of the difference from a few years ago where the audience was predominantly researchers and university students or people already in the industry, so kind of drillers and things like that. And whereas now I think you've got a much wider, we've got people coming in from the social sciences and the research and engagement side. You've got more local authorities, you've got different companies as well from wider heat network areas that are really getting on board with mine water and geothermal, which it's really bringing that conversation to the front and raising the profile for the opportunity.
I think the main thing that I've taken away from it at the moment is that this is really happening. You know, we've run these symposiums for several years, and it's incredible to see it moving away from the theory to actual projects being talked about, actual learning points from live projects. And again, looking at how far the UK is developing in this, particularly in respect to the rest of the world.
The cooperation aspect is really, really important, and we are in close exchange. We had lots of meetings with the former coal authority and now the mining remediation authority actually for years, because it's a process that we develop together, and you can't just work alone in your country. You need to have the experience from other projects, and you just need to learn from each other, and exchange is so important. And I love that we have this platform and that we have the community, and it's not just a cooperation with the UK, it's in Europe, and it really should be expanded worldwide.
I think my main takeaway is the buzz about the event and the momentum that's growing. The fact that the schemes that are working now are working really well, and there's interest in them. And also things like the difference that the schemes that are working are making to people's lives. So it's reducing people's energy costs and improving their comfort standards in the home. I think that's really important and be a take home for me.
I have a recent project funded by the European Commission, which is the Genius Doctoral Network. And it is a doctoral network for the next 4 years. And we will have some PhD students working on mine water geothermal energy. And we are collaborating with British Geological Survey and Mining Remediation Authority as well in this project. There is a very good, exciting energy that is going on in mine water geothermal research, and we are not the only ones working on it. And I'm sure we will have very great progress in the very close future in this field. It's wonderful. There is a great community.